For today's video, nais ko ipakita sa inyo ang 3 best free page builder para makapag-create ng website, no coding required. So alamin natin. Let's go. Okay, una sa ating listahan ay Brazy Page Builder. It is a next-gen website builder that anyone can use. Create no coding websites in a minute. So ito ang kanilang visual editor. Next ay Zion Page Builder. It will create high-performance websites that loads faster and rank high. It has a beautiful user interface and user-friendly visual editor. Ito ay combination ng design and code sa Wordpress website. At ito ay no-coding creation of website also. Sunod sa ating listahan ay ang popular na Elementor Page Builder. Sa Elementor, you can create a no-coding website for totally free. It has a great and powerful elements and tons of ready-to-use template to help the development more easy and faster. Elementor is #1 page builder plugin in the market currently. Okay, so this 3 page builder is totally free. Pero meron din silang pro version kung gusto mong i-unlock yung mga premium features at ma-experience mo yung premium copy of their plugin.